Hey everyone, welcome back to my finance channel and happy new year. So in today's video, we will be talking about what to look for when getting a credit card as I mentioned in my previous video. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. In today's video, we will discuss what to look for when getting a credit card and how much you can save using it. Before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel to help me grow, and also don't forget to demolish the like button so I know you enjoyed the video.
So you might be wondering, what is APR? Well, I'm going to tell you. APR stands for annual percentage rate. That is the interest rate a bank would charge for lending you the money. Ideally, these rates are so high when shopping for a credit card. You would want to look for the best place that gives the lowest rate. According to the US News, that can be anywhere between 16 to 22%. Now, if you use a credit card properly, then an APR wouldn't matter since you only pay it if you don't pay the total amount by the due date. Ideally, you use a credit card as a debit card by purchasing needs on it and paying it right away, while also helping to build your credit score. Now, avoid paying the bare minimum each month because it will end up costing you a lot of money purely on interest. The only reason I say get a credit card with a low APR is in case it happens that you don't pay, then it wouldn't hurt as much as it would have if you did. The best thing to do is to set a reminder on your phone to make sure you pay on time without being charged interest. Let me give you a quick example of how this works. So let's say you get a credit card with $1,000 limit and you decide to spend $300 this month. Now, let's also say that your APR is around 20%. So, with that, we assume that we will be paying $28 a month and the rest will be paid off for the rest of the year. So, at the end of the year, you will be paying $33, give or take, more than if you had paid it off before the due date. It's not the best way to use a credit card, but imagine if your APR was higher. That also is just for 1 month. So if you do that for every month, then your number would be much higher in interest. Check out Credit Karma's website to help you when making payments for credit cards if you are not paying that full amount, even though it's not advised. Next thing you should be looking for when you're looking for a credit card is your cashback or your rewards. Now, this part is vital because it's basically free money you get when you spend in certain categories. Some financial institutions give their customers a certain percentage back on bought items depending on the categories they offer. So, for example, my bank gives deals like 2% cash back on groceries or gas. What's also nice about it is that you can change it every month. So if you know you are going on a road trip and will be using more gas than normal, then you can change it to that for the month and receive more money. Give a quick example of how cashback and rewards work. So let's assume that you drive a Chevy Silverado to Florida. The car takes about 24 gallons of gas per fill, and using an average amount for gas, that would be $55.20 per fill. Now, if you fill up your car 10 times during the road trip, then you would be paying $552. Now, let's say that your rewards is 3% for gas, and that would be a $1.66 per fill. So in total, you would be saving $16.60. Now, the number may not be huge, but it was money back received for doing nothing but buying the purchases using the rewards they offer. So, to summarize really quick, make sure when looking for a credit card to shop around to see which bank would give you the best deals, such as a lower APR or possibly a higher credit limit, and possibly even more options for cashback deals. Also, a big tip would be always pay your full amount of your credit card because it adds up if you use the APR. Hope you guys found this video to be helpful. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Till next time, peace!